Okay, we are in Pflugerville, and this is the Madison floor plan at DR Horton. Just under 1,800 square feet. 4 bedrooms. Master's over here, entrance. We go over here and check this out. This is their model unit. Vinyl plank floors, carpet in the bedrooms.
Most builders have 10 by 10. And we usually do
Nice bedrooms.
11 by 11 or 11 by 12.
Good bathroom options. And good sized rooms. Yeah, perfect. Perfect size. For 4 bedrooms, you get a lot of house. And this house is currently priced at just over $250. Get a little yard too. Here's your master. Master's a nice size. Let's check out the master bath. There are no upgrades here, so whatever you see is here. Decent closet too. It's a cute place.